Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, we are studying chapter Work, Energy and Power, in which we studied what is work, and we have solved some numericals based on work. Work is a product of force into displacement. Work is said to be done when a force acting on a body force body can act as a second image position change. With the purpose work, you'll have force acting along the direction of this motion. All this topic, Pavan, that is our today's topic is work done by a force acting obliquely. Body, misal is with body क्या अपना say which body चुसुका body के इस्लामा अब string ऐसा लगे या कोई चुन force या कोई body या कोई पकामु वो force उससे या दरमियान अब angle आग बना से अब angle आग create गया. The teacher question: what is the value? What is the work done by a force acting obliquely? Use force action along the direction of motion. Gata acting. Force is not acting along the direction of motion of body. It is acting at some angle, pin angle. So what is done? What is the how we can derive? How we can derive the value of work done by force acting? Here is the force as pin angle spread or body but acting. That's a knife. You have to along this motion of this body king. Actually, with various situations, yet it's queen body lama say you best example you guard after the spring like just raz like it's lama you sure body paka ya angle bana yes ya angle bana. There are so many cases of motion. Just to get the confusion, ya lama ch, tu raz asa ya poi lama, say ya poi body ch, tu lama ya poi body paka ha poi, paka ya poi maga tu force direction ch ya poi. In these cases, how we can derive the value of work done when force acts at an angle, when there is an angle between our this applied force and the motion of body. So work is equal to F into S. You say suppose that is it's applied. Start jagah se apply. Ye le force kara apply. Switch kara motion. This in the direction of this force kara apply in the direction of motion. Yet chuck angle gasa create. How can we say how work calculate in this case? So here suppose a body. Suppose a body is lying at a point A, a point O. Each of body, each of the point O square. This each of body. Say, mutual body, this is point O, you go in this path, you in this movement current, show, you go in this force will apply, you put direction of force, you go where that starts, you go till direction of motion. Direction of force, direction of motion. Say that you time asking 5 meters, 5 meters. See it also like 10 Newton of force. Suppose the body is lying at a point O, it is point O. Just to this point A, just the body. Do you know the issue? Rush just mean the single body it's toy. If you do like a shaka pani, to teach up this moss, a shaka pani force circuit, both part like it. Yell up force, do you want to have a string of razak like it? It's Yapoya force kana, you get a style like it, she surface of road in your image moment. यदि तुम घर कह चीज लवान तुम करो अंदाज ये सरफेस पे चीज आसा पत्ते तक रद लग इस पे लगा मोश पकान along the ground तक एंगल क्रिएट गसान now so though the body is on this surface it is on this surface horizontal floor magar same force direction kya chhe it is along this say our force direction of a ye tha to b na and there is angle created between direction of motion and direction say that is theta angle theta बिल्कुल बिल्कुल easy इस पर applied initial position of body after erection force is yapoi direction of yapoi the body when we apply force the direction of force is along of a it is direction of our applied force and the direction of motion is along OB this and angle is created between OA and OB that is between applied direction of force and direction of motion. How work done here? Here work done which is pulling the cord. The work done is pulling the wheel equal to the product of work done here will be equal. Work done here will be equal to product of horizontal component of the force and the distance moved by the horizontal component of the force and this moved in the body. In this case, here when there is oblique angle, here horizontal component is equal. Here horizontal component is equal to cos theta and distance is s. Thus work done is equal to W is equal to F cos theta into S horizontal component of force into distance, where F is equal to force, theta is equal to what is one angle between direction of force and direction of motion. S is equal to distance covered. So when body moves at an angle, creates an angle with the direction of force, in this case the work done is equal to this horizontal component of applied force, that is cos theta, F cos theta into S. F cos theta क्या है? थीटा of value to say अगर ये this 80 है, 80 को cos 80 of value to लगा होने जाए, actually work done क्या है? Hope you have understood the work done by body for acting obliquely force obliquely makes an oblique angle. So in case of any problem, you can call and try to view these classes and try to study at home. Thank you.